Today we're going to move on to statistics. So your probability test, some people still need to take it. Please do so. It is a major grade. Your grades are also in Genesis. And remember, if you wish to retake it, you can retake it one time. When you complete the reflection, just tell me you would take it. Okay, we are moving on to statistics. Today we're going to focus on mean, median, and mode. This should be a little bit of a review from last year. As always, don't forget your do now. Watch this video with examples and then complete the Google form on mean, median, mode. If you get stuck on a question, please email me so I can guide you so you're able to submit the form. When you're done, please complete the reflection. So just a quick vocabulary review. The median is the middle number. So you order your data from least to greatest, and then you have to find the middle number, and I'll show you how that works. The mode, you see how mode, M-O, it's the data, the value that occurs most often. You can have, it could be bimodal, which means two occur the most often. There could be no mode if they all occur just one time. And then the last vocabulary word is the mean, and the mean, we should all remember, is the average. So you add up all your data points and divide by the number. And I'll show you how that works in the next few examples. So the mean is the average, so we need to add up all of our data points. We want to know the mean text messages sent by a group of friends. So we have 120, 95, 101, 125, 82, 108, and then 90. And we need to add it all up, and then we divide by the number. And there was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people. So now you can use your calculator. Just add up the numbers. And you should get 721 text messages were sent over the 7 people. So then we divide 721 divided by 7 gives me a mean of 103 messages sent. So to find the median, your data has to be least to greatest, and then you just start by crossing off your numbers until you find the middle. So in this case, 9 was the median. It was least to greatest. In our second data set, you'll notice when you go to find the median, there are 2 numbers left in the middle. So you have to take the average. 5 plus 7 is 12. 12 divided by 2. So in this case, our median is 6. The median is the middle, but don't forget the data always has to go from least to greatest before you can find the median. So the mode is the one that occurs most frequently, and this one is bimodal. That means there's 2 modes. It is actually 15 and 24 because they both occur twice. So for this example, you need to find the median and the mode of the bowling scores. First, you need to list from least to greatest. So when doing that, you have to put the numbers in order. After you put them in order, you should always make sure you included all. So in this case, there were 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So once I have all 10 of my points, I can now find the median. Remember, the median is the middle, so I'm going to start by crossing out the highs and the lows. This is easiest if you do it on a whiteboard or paper. So because it was an even number, I get 2 in the middle. So I take 135 and 145 and I add it together and I divide it by 2. So I'm going to get 280 and I divide it by 2. So the median in this case is 140. And then the mode is easy because the mode is the one that occurs the most. So I just look at my data points and I see that the mode would be 160 because it occurred twice. Mode is the only measure that you can use for non-numerical data. So in this case, you want to find the favorite types of movies, and we have comedy, drama, horror, or action, and we need to figure out how many times each one came out. So the easiest is to create a tally chart. So comedy is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people said comedy. And then drama, 1, 2, 3, 4 people said drama. Horror, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 people said horror. And then action. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people said action. So the mode in this case is comedy. It's the one that came out the most frequently. So as always, please try your best. If you need help, it's best you join Zoom at 10 a.m. Use the link you received in your email. If you did not get it, please email me. Remember, the mean is the average, so you add and divide by the number of data points. The mode is the one that occurs most frequently. You can classify non-numerical data. So mode is most frequently, and the median is the middle number when ordered from least to greatest. You can also email me with any questions. Have a good day.